Josh Billings. Simple words, deep truths. His quotes appeals every heart.
Be kind to your mother-in-law and if necessary, pay for her board at some good hotel. Do not put off till tomorrow what can be enjoyed today. A learned fool is one who has read everything and simply remembered it. In youth, we run into difficulties. In old age, difficulties run into us. Debt is a trap which a man sets and baits himself and then deliberately gets into. The devil is the father of lies, but he neglected to patent the idea. A dog is the only thing on this earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Don't borrow or lend, but if you must do one, lend. There is one advantage in a plurality of wives. They fight each other instead of their husbands. Don't lay any certain plans for the future. It is like planting toads and expecting to raise toadstools. If you can't undertake to live with your mother-in-law, but if worst comes to worst, let your mother-in-law live with you. Every man should know something of law. If he knows enough to keep out of it, he is a pretty good lawyer. Eve was the first woman who fooled her man. Experience teaches us much, but learns us little. Flattery is like cologne water, to be smelt of, not swallowed. Give the fools key and don't let them run out, for if it weren't for them, wise men couldn't get a living. I am a poor man, but I have this consolation. I am poor by accident, not by design. Confess your sins to the Lord and you will be forgiven. Confess them to your men and you will be laughed at. If a man ain't got a well-balanced head, I like to see him part his hair in the middle. I haven't got as much money as some folks, but I've got as much impudence as any of them, and that's the next thing to money. I haven't much doubt man sprang from the monkey, but where did the monkey spring from? Don't despise your poor relations. They may become suddenly rich someday, and then it will be awkward to explain things to them. It is so much trouble to get rich as it is to tell when we have got rich. It is the little bits of things that fret and worry us. We can dodge an elephant, but we can't fly a flea. If the animals had reason, they would act just as ridiculous as we men folks do. It is very easy to manage our neighbor's business, but our own sometimes bothers us. Keep a cow and the milk won't have to be watered but once. Laziness is a good deal like money. The more a man has of it, the more he seems to want it. If it weren't for faith, there would be no living in this world. We couldn't even eat hash with any safety. Experience is a school where a man learns what a big fool he has been. To enjoy a good reputation, give publicly and steal privately. Life is short, but it is long enough to ruin any man who wants to be ruined. Live within your income, even if you have to borrow money to do so. Love is like the measles. We can have it but once, and the later in life we have it, the tougher it goes with us. Experience increases our wisdom, but doesn't reduce our follies. Love is said to be blind, but I know of fellows in love who can see twice as much in their sweethearts as I can. I am poor, and I am glad that I am. For I find that wealth makes more people mean than it does generous. The man who ain't got an enemy is really poor. The miser and the glutton are two facetious buzzards. One hides his store and the other stores his hide. Most men are like eggs, too full of themselves to hold anything else. Nature never makes any blunders. When she makes a fool, she means it. Necessity is the mother of invention, but patent right is the father. Never run into debt, not if you can find anything else to run into. A new milk cow is a stepmother to every man's baby. One half the troubles of this life can be traced to saying yes too quick and not saying no soon enough. The quickest way to take the starch out of a man who is always blaming himself is to agree with him. Remember the poor, it costs nothing. Waiting to be whipped is the most uninteresting period in boyhood life. Never work before breakfast. If you have to work before breakfast, get your breakfast first. The road to ruin is always kept in good repair, and the travelers pay the expense of it. Silence is said to be golden, but the best fools the world has ever produced had nothing to say on the subject. Some folks in this world spend their whole time hunting after righteousness and can't find any time to practice it. Success is not always a sure sign of merit, but it is a first-rate way to succeed. Take out all the fools out of this world and there wouldn't be any fun or profit living in it. There are but few men who have character enough to lead a life of idleness. Don't ever prophesize, for if you prophesize wrong, nobody will forget it. And if you prophesize right, nobody will remember it. There are two things in this life for which we are never fully prepared, and that is twins. Young man, sit down and keep still. You will have plenty of chances yet to make a fool of yourself before you die. There's lots of people in this world who spend so much time watching their health that they haven't the time to enjoy it. Time is money, and many people pay their debts with it. To learn your offspring to steal, make them beg hard for all that you give them. The trouble with most folks isn't so much their ignorance as knowing so many things that ain't so. When a man comes to me for advice, I find out the kind of advice he wants and I give it to him. There are people so addicted to exaggeration that they can't tell the truth without lying. Wicked work harder to reach hell than the righteous do to get to heaven. Woman's influence is powerful, especially when she wants anything. A woman will sometimes confess her sins, but I never knew one to confess her faults. Most of the happiness in this world consists in possessing what others can't get. If you can't get half a loaf, take a whole loaf. A whole loaf is better than no bread.